Hey, Language Arts, it is me, Miss Jones. I am out this weekend because I am getting married on Saturday, September 26th. So I am out Thursday and Friday. So unfortunately, I will not see you this week, but I will see you again next week. I've created this video so that I can explain to you guys your directions and what to do to complete your assignments on both Thursday and Friday. So if we come into modules, I have divided the module into two parts. Part one, lesson one, this is for Thursday. These activities are meant to be completed on Thursday. Lesson two, these activities are meant to be completed on Friday. So let's pop in on lesson one. Remember, this is the first week of content. So the first unit that we're starting is roots and affixes. Roots and affixes, which is a vocabulary unit that we're going to be working on. So I'm just going to kind of skip through these a little bit. Why is vocabulary important? Well, when we have a rich vocabulary, it enables us to accurately share our thoughts, feelings, and ideas with others. If we have more words and if we have a rich vocabulary, then we can explain in more detail how we're feeling, what our opinions are, our viewpoints. We can also understand the viewpoints of others. If we're able to understand those strong vocabulary skills, then we have a better understanding of those around us. So one way that we're going to be doing this is through the study of root words and affixes. A root word is the most basic part of the word. It's what you have left over after you've taken off all the extra chunks, the affixes or the prefixes and suffixes. Affix is kind of like an umbrella term. It can be a prefix if it's placed at the beginning of the word, or it could be a suffix if it's placed at the ending of the word. And whether or not you have a prefix or a suffix, if you attach an affix to a root word, it's going to change the meaning drastically. So let's take a look at some examples. If I have the root word ject, which means to throw, and if I add the prefix in, I now have the word inject. If you are injected, it means that something is being put into. So if you go to the doctor and you get a vaccine, that medicine is being put into your body. It's being injected. If I have the exact same root word, ject, and I add the prefix re, I now have the word reject, which has a much different meaning than the word inject. Reject means to take out. If I take another root word like bio, which we know means life, and let's say this time I'm going to add a suffix, and I'm going to add the suffix graphy. I now have the word biography. Biography is the story of life. Bio means life. Graphy means story. If I take the same root word bio, which means life, and I add the suffix logy, I now have the word biology. Biology is the study of life. Bio means life, and logy means the study of. So that brings us to roots and affixes list number one that you can see here. We're going to have a quiz on this list in 2 weeks. So it's very important that we're studying these roots and affixes, which we're going to be doing in the rest of the module.